Every day I put this cream with the whole size of my finger, and every next morning it forms an even layer like nobody ever touched this cream. That's why this cream is also known as Shape Memory Cream. It's like Mr. Fantastic from Fantastic Four of skincare world. I'm literally like this meme to my subscribers. आप convince हो गए ना या मैं और बोलूँ? Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Manvi, and today I'm going to share my vitamin C and vitamin E skincare routine. Vitamin C and vitamin E are like best buddies. They are the Jay and Viru of skincare world. So my current skincare routine is more enhanced, more elevated. So let's begin with my skincare tutorial. Skincare routine. I will put the skincare chart on your screens. Boom. Now let's begin. I will be explaining all of these steps and the ingredients and why should we use vitamin C with vitamin E and which ingredients go well together. And the first 3 steps in my skincare routine are still the same as my previous skincare routine. It's not that I do not try new skincare products. I constantly keep trying new skincare, but I am very loyal to my skincare. If something works and is highly effective, it goes to my permanent skincare routine. I'm going to quickly explain the first 3 steps. First step is always the cleansing, and for cleansing I use the Forest Essentials Neem and Saffron face wash. This one is an Ayurvedic cleanser. It does not strip my skin of its natural oils and also clean my skin thoroughly at the same time. So I washed my face with this today. And the next step is the toner, and many people say toner is not needed, but for me it's very much needed, especially in the winter season, and it adds extra layer of hydration, but also it gets your skin ready for the vitamin C serum. I'm going to spritz it on my face and it instantly wakes up my skin. It's so refreshing. I've been trying new rose water toners from different brands, but nothing has replaced my Kama Ayurveda rose water toner. It's so good and so hydrating, so lightweight, so moisturizing. Now my third step is the vitamin C serum, and I have tried so many vitamin C serum and nothing has replaced my Clear's vitamin C. This is also my subscribers favorite vitamin C serum. I have so many posts. All of you share your posts with me. Thank you for sharing, and I will put these on my screen. You can see I always share it on my community post. So I'm just going to apply vitamin C on my skin, and I have talked about the ingredient list of Clear's vitamin C in this video, so you can watch it. Click here. This serum feels warm on the skin because it's acidic in nature and it's 5% vitamin C. So that's why I recommend that you use a toner before your vitamin C serum. Okay. And do you see, like, it instantly gives a glow to your skin. It is a glow getter. If you have a dull skin, I highly recommend that you use the Clear's vitamin C in your skincare routine. Vitamin C is one of those star ingredients which does it all. It can fade your brown spots, your hyperpigmentation, your dark circles, and name anything, it will do it. Like, it can fade your acne scars, and it can also prevent the acne breakout. So it's one of those star ingredients. This step is skippable, but sometimes I like to just gently massage vitamin C into my skin using the guasa. You can use any guasa. This is the obsidian guasa, but I highly recommend the YVP guasa, and just gently massage it into my skin. Now, if you want to further stabilize your vitamin C serum, you should use it with your vitamin E moisturizer. So I'm going to use the Clear's vitamin E on my skin, and there is one downside to vitamin C, that it makes your skin dry. So vitamin C is more nourishing, more healing, more moisturizing to your skin. Every day I put this cream with the whole size of my finger, and every next morning it forms an even layer like nobody ever touched this cream. That's why this cream is also known as Shape Memory Cream. It's like Mr. Fantastic from Fantastic Four of skincare world. Vitamin C and vitamin E both have similar function. They fight free radicals to prevent your skin from oxidative damage. But vitamin E is more moisturizing in nature. Both of these are great alone, but they are invincible together. Do you see the glow it gives to my skin? It's unreal. You'll be the most glowing Christmas tree in your town. Clear's vitamin E is my new obsession. If you've been using vitamin C on my recommendation that include vitamin E also, this will give you the most beautiful beautiful glow, and you will love it even more than the vitamin C serum. But both of these are really amazing and they play so beautifully together. And find me a better combo than these two, I will give you my money. Now this is alcohol free. It has tocopherol acetate, which is a form of vitamin E. It also has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, but it also has lemon peel. So if you are allergic to it, you can avoid this, but this has been so gentle on my skin. Klairs Vitamin E is marketed as a mask, but you can use it as a daytime and nighttime moisturizer. And if you want more hydration, extra layer of hydration, you can add your moisturizer before your mask. So I am currently using the Earth Rhythm Photo Ceramide Moisturizer. This is very moisturizing. If you are extremely dry skin type, then you can add one more step, that is your moisturizer before the Klairs Vitamin E. But for me, it's moisturizing enough. There is this huge misconception surrounding the vitamin C serum that you should use it only in the nighttime. In fact, I recommend that you use it in the daytime because it's also photoprotected, and initially brands did not have the technology to formulate a stable vitamin C. That's why it was recommended that you use it in the nighttime, because vitamin C also photo-oxidize when it comes in the contact of sunlight. But now brands have the technology to form a more stable vitamin C serum, and you can use it in the daytime because it also protects your skin from sun. Now the last step is your sunscreen, and I'm using the Dr. Sheth's sunscreen, and this is their basic brightening daily sunscreen. It has zinc oxide and titanium oxide, which is a mineral sunscreen. And it does give little bit white cast, but it goes away after 10 minutes. In winters, I have a habit of taking at least 15 minutes of sun. So this has been very effective in protecting my skin from suntan. So I'm just going to apply this. And if you are inside, indoors, then you don't need this step. But if you're going outside, then I highly recommend that you use a sunscreen. It also has sunflower oil, which is very moisturizing, and licorice extract, which is brightening for your skin. And don't forget to apply your lip balm or lip oil. I usually use the Estee Lauder lip balm in the daytime, and in the nighttime I use the Nikka K lip oil. This is very moisturizing. I highly recommend this, and this is also very affordable. So I'm just going to apply the Estee Lauder lip balm. It gives my lips that glossy effect. I just wear a lip tint and lip balm, and you are good for the day. Okay kitty cats, that's all for my day skincare routine, and I highly recommend that you start using active in your skincare because these will completely change your skin. Vitamin C, vitamin E, acids, glycolic acid, all of these are so good, and I have better skin in my 30s than my 20s, and all because of these actives and the skincare routine that I have been doing consistently on my skin. I'm literally like this meme to my subscribers. हो गए ना या मैं और बोलूं. So please start using actives in your skincare routine and learn a little bit more about ingredients, and that will change your skin. And if you have any skincare trouble, don't try to self-diagnose, go to a dermat. And I think that's about it. I'll see you soon. Subscribe to me, and bye-bye.